This is the PBteen Store-It bed. The innovative, compact design of our Store-It bed includes compartments around 3 sides of the bed for maximum underbed storage, making it ideal for smaller spaces. Pair it with our Store-It corner unit and hutch so you can add a second bed for the ultimate in shared bedroom organization. Or pair the Store-It bed with our Stuff-Your-Stuff Headboard, which has built-in cubbies plus side cubbies under the headboard that can accommodate our rolling storage trolleys, which are sold separately. The mattress sits directly on the bed frame. Crafted with a kiln-dried wood frame, the Store-It bed is finished by hand in one of our exclusive PBteen finishes for exceptional richness, durability, and depth of color. It's available in twin, full, and queen sizes in our classic PBteen white finish or in stained wood in honey and espresso. To complete your room, pair our Store-It bed with any piece in our Stuff-Your-Stuff collection. Most importantly, our Store-It bed is rigorously tested to meet or exceed the highest industry safety standards.